Have you ever noticed that school teaches a lot of things, but almost nothing about money? How do you know if you're spending wisely or just throwing money away? And what if I told you that understanding how money works can help you avoid many future problems? The truth is that a lack of financial education can put you in complicated situations, like debts that never seem to end, not having money to achieve your dreams, and that constant feeling that money just disappears without you realizing it. But don't worry, because today you're going to understand, in a simple and direct way, what finance is and why it's essential in your life. If you want to escape the cycle of spending everything without knowing where it went, make smarter decisions, and ensure a more secure future, stick around until the end, because these tips can completely change your relationship with money. Before anything else, what exactly is finance? Many people think that finance is only for the rich or for those who work in economics. But the truth is, it's part of our daily lives all the time. Finance is nothing more than the way you manage your money, how you earn it, how you spend it, and how you make it grow. If you receive an allowance, a salary, or any other source of money, you are already dealing with finance, even if you don't realize it. Think of money as a game. If you don't know the rules, it's almost impossible to win. But if you learn how it works, you can make much smarter decisions and avoid the traps that many people fall into due to a lack of knowledge. Now, why is finance so important? Simple. Because without at least some organization, you may always end up in the red, without money for what really matters, and even depending on others financially. Have you ever noticed that some people earn well but are always broke at the end of the month? That happens because earning money is not enough. If you don't know how to manage it, it will always feel like it's disappearing. Additionally, understanding finance gives you freedom. Freedom to travel, take courses, invest in your dreams, and even get out of difficult situations without panic. And the best part? The sooner you learn this, the easier it will be to avoid financial problems and build a more secure future. But here's the problem. Many people make financial mistakes without even realizing it. And these mistakes can affect your life for years. The first big mistake is impulse spending. You receive money and, on the same day, start spending it without even thinking. Later, when something really important comes up, you have nothing left. The second mistake is not differentiating between a want and a need. Buying a new phone may seem essential, but do you really need it, or is it just a temporary desire? The third mistake is not tracking where your money's going. If you have no idea how much you spend per month, you're probably spending more than you should. And of course, there's also irresponsible credit card use. Paying in installments may seem like a quick solution, but if you don't control it, you may end up owing more than you can afford. Now that you understand these mistakes, let's talk about the most important financial concepts to avoid them and start managing your money better. The first concept is income and expenses. This means understanding where your money comes from and where it's going. Simple, but essential. The second concept is personal budgeting. A super easy method to manage this is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of what you earn goes toward basic needs like food and transportation. 30% can be used for leisure and shopping, and 20% should be saved or invested for the future. The third concept is emergency savings. Imagine if tomorrow you need money urgently for an unexpected problem. Having money set aside can save you a lot of headaches. Finally, a concept that many people are afraid of, but makes all the difference. Investments. It's not just for the rich, and there are simple and accessible ways to make your money grow over time. So how can you start improving your financial life right now? The first step is simple. Start tracking your expenses. You can do this on your phone, in a notebook, or anywhere that's convenient for you. The important thing is to be aware of where your money is going. The second step is setting small financial goals, like saving a fixed amount each month, even if it's just a little. The third step is avoiding impulse purchases. A great technique for this is to wait 24 hours before buying something non-essential. If after a day you still think it's worth it, then go ahead. If not, you may end up saving money without even noticing. And last but not least, start thinking about your financial future. Saving money and investing may seem boring now, but in the future, you will thank yourself for starting early. If you made it this far, you've already taken a big step toward improving your relationship with money. The most important thing is to understand that finance is not complicated. and anyone can learn to manage their money better. Small habit changes make a huge difference in the long run. Now, I want to know, what's the biggest financial challenge you've ever faced? Leave a comment below. If this video helped you in any way, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who also needs to learn about this. See you next time.